Hello everyone, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful, very amazing and very creative button art world. It's a creativity for everyone. Either it's child, it's children, family, seniors, whatever. So viewers, in this video I show you the magic of buttons. You can make many types of things with these type of craft as we shown in this video. You can watch in this video very creative and interesting ideas of button craft. These button crafts not only just fun, it's more than a fun. It's a stress releaser and stress free. It can things many things this can do. So these designs are very popular and very creative, and if your children do this, he will be the super increase her mental stress level, and you can too. So create your things and recycle things is very necessary for our planets. It's a good source for our for our planners. So you can do many types of things with these buttons as we shown you, and you can watch in this video. So what do you feel about that? It's a useful things, and your comments is superb. Thank you for commenting on my channel. We are very thankful to you. You are superb girl. Amazing creative world of creativity. Buttons create magic. So in this video we're going to show you very beautiful button craft ideas for this upcoming season. For this upcoming holiday season, we are giving you the ideas of button craft. Recycling is very important for our environment, and we should teach our children to recycle everything. We are diving into the colorful world of buttons craft. Something too small and simple like a button can actually open up endless possibilities for creativity, relaxation, and even sustainability. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned crafter, you will love exploring how button craft not only brings joy but also offers surprising benefits for your mind, home, and the planet. So let's get started. Buttons have been around for centuries. While their main purpose was fastening clothes, people quickly discover how charming and versatile they are for decorations. Over time, buttons become little treasures, tiny pieces for art, made from wood, metal, shell, plastic, and even fabric. Today we celebrate buttons not just as functional item but as tool of creativity in DIY projects, home decor, jewelry, and festive decoration. Relaxation and stress. Benefits of button craft reminded. Boosts creativity. Relaxation and stress relief. Improves fine motor skill. Budget friendly and accessible. Eco-friendly and sustainable. Educational value. Crafting with buttons can be a bonding activity for families. Kids learn colors, counting, and patterns while spending quality time with parents or grandparents. Examples and inspiration. Imagine transforming a plain photo frame into a colorful memory place with bright buttons, or turning old jars into decorative storage with button lids. You can even create festive ornaments, birthday cards, and jewelry like necklace or earrings, photo frame. The possibilities are endless, and each creation carries your personal touch. So button craft is much more than just gluing buttons onto a surface. It's a relaxing, creative, budget-friendly, and eco-conscious way to decorate and express yourself. Next time you see a spare button, don't throw it away. Turn it into art. Thank you for joining me. So we are giving you some beautiful advices like relaxation and stress relief, talking about now. Crafting with buttons is calming. Sorting by colors, arranging patterns, and gluing them down creates a sense of mindfulness. It's almost like meditation. You focus on the present moment and let go of stress. Buttons come in so many shapes, texture, and shades, so it boosts creativity. Using them in projects sparks new ideas and encourages out of the box thinking. You can design wall art, photo frames, arrangements, ornaments, or even jewelry designs. Improves fine motor skills for children and seniors alike. Working with small buttons and through improves hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Picking, threading, and placing buttons strengthens finger muscles and coordinations. Unlike expensive craft supplies, buttons are affordable. Many of us already have spare buttons at home from old clothes. Recycling them into art reduces waste and saves money. Reusing old buttons keeps them out of landfills and gives them a new life. This makes button crafting not only creative but also environmentally friendly. Emotional and educational value. Crafting with buttons can be a bonding activity for families. Kids learn counting. Kids learn colors and counting and patterns while spending quality time with parents and grandparents. So how you feel about that? Have you enjoyed these type of craft, these type of things? You can join us on our channel. We are giving you the amazing craftic ideas. And you can make amazing buttons craft. You can make very beautiful craft with buttons, creative craft with buttons. These are very beautiful and amazing. For this season, you can make amazing craft with buttons, and you can join us on our channel and tell me about what do you think, how feel you are, how can creative things maybe it's. Thank you for joining me today. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members.